Welcome to Enovin Foods. Today I am sharing a soft, airy and beautiful honeycomb crepe that looks stunning and tastes even better. This crepe is famous for its natural holes, soft texture and light bite. Perfect for breakfast, kids' tiffin box or dessert. In a bowl, take 1 cup warm water. Add 1 teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix well. Always use warm water to activate the yeast properly and keep it aside for 5 minutes to activate. Now add 1 tablespoon oil, 1 egg and half teaspoon salt. Mix everything well. Add 1 cup flour. The holes help absorb syrup, honey and sauces perfectly. And whisk to make a smooth lump-free batter. Cover and rest the batter for 20 minutes. Resting the batter is the key to perfect honeycomb holes. After resting, add half cup water and mix well to adjust the pouring consistency. Heat a pan and grease it lightly with oil. Pour the batter. And cook on low heat for 5 minutes until the honeycomb holes appear and the top sets beautifully. Remove from heat and your honeycomb crepe is ready to serve. Cook only on low heat to avoid burning the bottom. Yeast fermentation makes the crepe lighter and easier to digest. This crepe is low in oil compared to fried snacks. Honeycomb crepes get their holes naturally from yeast fermentation. These crepes are always cooked on one side only. Egg adds protein to the batter. It is a great light breakfast or evening treat. Your soft and beautiful honeycomb crepe is ready. Serve it with honey, chocolate sauce or fresh fruits for the best taste. Like the video, follow the page and subscribe for more soft and easy homemade recipes.